Hello everybody, I'm Brian Essen from How to Automotive, and today I wanted to talk to you about torque sockets. So a viewer called me up and said, hey Brian, I'm starting to work on European cars. I wanted to know your advice on what tools should I buy first for working on European cars such as BMWs, Volkswagens, Audis, and that. So I teamed up with VIM Tools, and they have a master torque set here. This is the perfect set for working on these types of cars. So I'm going to show you what's inside the box here, how these tools can benefit you, and how they work on European vehicles. So stay tuned for that. So this is the VIM Tools 34-piece master torque set. So if you're going to work on European vehicles, they all have these torque sockets in males and female sockets. So VIM Tools makes a great set that comes complete with the female and the male torques. So depending on what you're working on, you're going to come across female torques like this, or you're going to have the male torques. And they also have what they call the tamper-proof torques. So if you look at this torque bit here, it has a hole in the middle here. It's drilled in there. There's special torque sockets that have a stud in the middle, and this works with those. They usually use them on safety stuff like door latches and stuff like that. So that's one of the things I like about this kit is you can work on just about any European vehicle. They all have these type of sockets. So here I'm about to do some work on a Volvo here and remove the PCV system, the breather system, and they all have torque screws, and I got it hooked up to my impact driver here, and I'm removing the torque screws. On this BMW right here, there's some strut bracing here, and they're all held on with torque screws. Without tools like this, you would not be able to work on European vehicles. Now, a lot of Asian vehicles are also going to a lot of torque sockets and torque bolts too. So they don't just work on European vehicles. They do work for Asian vehicles also. So the benefit of getting them in a set like this is when you go to buy them, they're a lot cheaper. If you buy them like the old-fashioned way, a la carte like this in these small little sets, it could cost you double or triple. So as you can see, these two sets here are just two of the sets that are in there, and this is a third set here that I got a la carte. So if I would have discovered VIM Tools a lot sooner, I would have saved myself a ton of money by buying a kit like this. So this is just the beginning of the tools that you'll need for working on European cars. I will be doing more videos featuring more tools for European vehicles, so make sure you're looking out for that, or be subscribed so you can look out for that. I'm Brian Essen from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this, and also I'd like to remind you that I will link up the tools in the description of the video. Thank you again for watching.